Welcome to our line, the large line. Previously, we have rented an excavator to help us dig the power line in. And because we had a little bit of time running for us, we are using it now to clear up the dead logs and other debris. My husband picked up all the rocks that were here. I'm so glad. This is the pile he have done with the excavator, and those are the piles I've done with the cart, but mine were smaller. These are huge. When my husband is working, I do my own work too, but sometimes I get distracted with other things that may arise. Now I'm checking to see if this is edible. It's edible. I hope it's making more baby for the next year. I'm not gonna take it. And again, another distraction. I was doing something else and I just stumbled in this little guy. I could not stop talking to him. Isn't this cute? Look, I found them. More mushrooms, yay! These are tiny. I'm just putting my finger here as a size. But they're tiny. Mushrooms everywhere. This is another one. Oh, two. I'm so happy. Here are a few more. And this is eatable too. You just have to know where to look for them. And they're everywhere actually. Different types, different kinds. Nature is amazing. It's full of them. I cannot stop looking for them, but I don't have time for researching, and again, I'm not gonna touch any of them. Wild turkeys are roaming around. They know it's getting closer to Thanksgiving. Huge, super huge. Right here. And then this, I turn it upside down myself. This is huge too. Nice. Okay, I think I'm done with the mushrooms for today. It's a cloudy day. It's a Sunday. we should relax, but we have more things to do. We're gonna relax next year. This year we're super busy. This year we changed our life and we love it so far. We're good. Let me stop right here and tell you that the mushroom story is not over. Something intriguing has happened, and we don't know why and who's at fault. I found another piece of mushroom in a tree. I don't know who put it there. But this is weird. Who can put mushrooms in the tree? More mushrooms. We have a problem. We found mushrooms in the trees and we don't know why they are there. I don't know if it's a problem or not. Probably, who knows, somebody put it there to make a joke of. My husband just found another one. I'm gonna go see it. Oh, I see it. Oh, more mushrooms here. Look at those. Here, more. And that mushroom is in the tree. Oh, this is so huge. Why would the mushroom be in the tree? I don't know. Of course, we found another. It's a huge one too. Who would put the mushroom in the tree? This is totally weird. Okay, maybe we're gonna solve the puzzle. This is a mushroom in a tree. And it's weird. I never seen mushrooms in a tree. I think somebody put it there.
We got a Bigfoot.
We got a Bigfoot?
No, we got a squirrel.
Yeah, the squirrel went up and the squirrel put the mushroom up in the tree.
Let's see the other one.
It's too dark. What is there? I didn't see, but my husband just have seen it happening under his eyes. We are upset because we have few woodpeckers around and we don't like them because they are actually killing our trees. Look at this. We really don't like it. We don't know what to do about it. I had to do research and I found out that actually the woodpeckers are pecking on the sick trees or dead trees or they're about to die. Then it's not the woodpecker's fault, it's just happening. This was a big stump, baby.
Well said, it was.
You fought with this one.
Yeah, I cannot dig it out of the ground, so I cut it.
You level it out.
Dirt, and that's gonna be the future raised bed sponge.
For the raised bed. Good idea.
And that one.
That one too, yeah. It's huge. And wood chips. I see a lot of wood chips right here. You're done for today?
Almost. I'm gonna try to do that.
You wanna do that one too? We got the property last year, and this year in spring we moved in.
Okay, I just installed the box for the power. It's heavy. I can barely move it.
And you done it by yourself?
But I did it. And it's
Level?
level, 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 level. Because the guys at the power, they said the transformer has to stay level. Other way, in the future, if the oil inside in a transformer is not perfect level, it's gonna rust and it's gonna get bad, then you're gonna have to pay again for the transformer. They are very expensive.
We don't want to pay twice.
Oh, you don't want to pay a couple of thousands, probably like 6,000 or whatever it costs.
No.
Then I installed that. I never install anything like that, never ever ever. So you have to put the footing for it, and then they need space on this side to put the wire or something to do something. I have no clue. They just told me to leave space on that side with a small lift going there, and the meter is gonna be right there. Now I have to go to dig for the
Fiber optic.
fiber optic like this much, because the guys didn't show up, so no time to waste. Yeah. Let's go.
He has his own highway. It's 150 feet long. I thought it was under 100, but when we measure it to buy the conduit, we figured that it is 150 feet long. Back to hand digging again, but just for a little while. With this occasion, I want to thank everyone for subscribing and for watching us. Even if it's not perfect, we are working on improving everything for our life. As I said, life is complicated at the moment, but we live a simple life already, which we love. We're supposed to see the mountains, yet not possible. Bad news for us, winter is closer.
Where is my house?
These are the conduits for the future power line. This is a project we kept putting on the side for 3 months almost, because we are eager to be able to finish the house shell. I was surprised how fast the cable company showed up to line their conduit for telephone and internet. We only signed the contract the day before, and today within 10 minutes they are done and gone. Well done, guys. And back to our story. We are waiting on the roofing metal to show up, and because we are renting a lift genie to have it installed, we postpone everything related to the roof and the house for now. We still need to install the gable end rafters and the corbels, and we need to put the decking on the roof and the metal too.
No hammer, so we got wood.
No hammer, so we got wood, and we have wood everywhere. We are installing 150 feet of 3-inch conduit schedule 40, which are good for the electric lines. It goes like this. First, you dig a trench as deep as the electric company required, then go buy the conduit. Then lay it next to the project Clean the ends and start gluing the pieces together using some corners here and there because you don't need to have sharp corners. The only problem is that it takes time and effort. It's not hard, but it takes time. And that's all I did. I just hold it for a few minutes with my foot. Well, my husband did all the work alone again. Now we are ready for our first inspection ever to our project for the trench and conduit installation. All being said, another part of our project is done. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share, subscribe, and see us next time.